finest right here.
In the work clothes.
In the work, it don't matter.
Hey, this the everyday fit.
The everyday fit. Hey, you gotta get it how you get it, right?
Shout it out.
Yeah. Ride underscores. No.
You were about to say scat. You were about to say scat.
That's the old one. Redeye underscore ride.
That's on YouTube and Instagram?
That's YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Yeah.
Check the fit.
We're going worldwide with it.
Check the fit.
You know what I'm saying?
Got the red socks?
Come on, man. Match the key.
You said the key.
Match the key.
Ride that nigga. Don't play with him. Don't play with him.
Let's do it. Come on. Come on. Let's do it. Come on. Let's do it. The bit living boom cause. Let's do it. The bit like a boom cause. Let's do it. Come on. The bit living boom cause she like my flow. Been being on eyes, bitch caught the scope. Beat the bar, the rider with me and lit bow. I know that bitch like her, she threw up the foe. No roofing on that bitch gon' hit the door. I'm in the hood with my bro. No slime on the dude, but I still wipe your nose. Let's do it. Let's do it. Bring my twin out the pin, he the real lost story. Used to pull up and shut up the water. Now show him the nigga that talks. Let's do it. Hot little boy on that.
Do it. The 3. End up with 5 times. You ain't gonna shit. Let's do it. We got the hood on our back. Straight out to know you, my shooters don't go for the free. We having sticks like the Flintstones. Bitch, when we see the opponents, it's fuck how it turned out. We got the hood on our back. 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 We got the
Yeah, that was a good one.
So let me ask you this, Rod. You plan on doing anything under the hood?
Not yet. I'm gonna enjoy it for what it is for a little bit. I mean, I really don't need to.
Right.
Unless I'm really trying to get into competition and things like that, which is a slippery slope. So, right now, nah. I'm not gonna do too much. Little accents and stuff like that. But other than that, nah, not really.
What about the exhaust?
I did the mid-muffler. You hear how loud it is already. I don't need to do nothing else.
You're doing nothing else.
That's it, really. I don't need to do too much.
So what? You got anything that you don't like about it?
No. I love everything about it. Everything. If I had to say what's my favorite part, it'd be the hood and the red eye badges. That's the favorite. That's my favorite part about the car. Though.
I love how them vents is on the hood.
Yeah, them vents in there.
The only thing I wish that they made some kind of fog lights that could fit there.
So they got some aftermarket ones.
They do?
Yeah. And it's like, you know how like the V6 Chargers got the little strip, the LED strip?
Yeah.
That's what they got for these, but it's not like individual bulbs within the strip. It's just like a full straight strip. So I was looking at that, but again, I don't know. What I do miss, what I don't like is that they don't have the adaptive cruise control for this motherfucker.
Oh, okay.
So you gotta drive that motherfucker on long, bro. That's all I drive on long distance cruise control.
No, adaptive. That's the joint where you can let your steering wheel go and it'll drive and stay in between lanes.
That's tone.
Let me look at the interior.
Right.
Is it dirty?
It's open. It's dirty, man. We got a problem. The floor mats might be a little dirty.
That's fine, that's fine.
Damn, Sam lost 1,600 last night.
You what?
He lost 1,600.
Look at these seats.
Man, never bet against Brady, bro. What's wrong with people?
I learned early.
Bro, you never bet against that white man.
Got my home.
You've been cheating on these years.
You think my home?
220 on the dash. I already got 2,000 miles on it. Let me sit in here. Yeah. I even feel different. Hey. So what you got done to yours?
Hey, I follow you on the gram. I just noticed your whip. I was just trying to take a video real quick.
Oh yeah, you good, bro?
Yeah,
Oh yeah, appreciate it.
Hey, I gotta follow the YouTube channel.
Yeah, follow YouTube.
I got y'all. I know I got you on IG. What's the YouTube channel name?
Right there.
Let me take a picture of this too.
Oh, we can't put the copyright.
It's okay, I'm gonna mute all that out.
Put a little bit of music in the background to kind of mix it up, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, you know me.
What you got going on, man? What you got going on?
I ain't got nothing special. I got
Can you explain? Let me get on this side.
man. I ain't got nothing but little cold air intake, little throttle body spacing, long tube headers. I upgraded exhaust, went from 2.5 inch to 3 inch exhaust. Cut the resonator, cut the muffler, gutted the cats.
You trying to go fast.
Hey, look, just have a little fun right quick. Hopefully, like I said, I got a few upgrades coming up in these next couple of weeks.
Gotcha.
Yeah. Other than that, doing a little something. I need a tune. Think about running E85 in the summertime. Yeah, fuck it, need it.
Playing with him.
And need that tune. I got
You
all
trying to
this.
apply pressure this summer.
Who your cold air intake by?
Huh?
Who your cold air intake by?
K&N. This a K&N Blackhawk.
What's the gains from it? You notice any since you put it on?
Honestly, no. Because I put it on as soon as like,
You got the other stuff there?
yeah, I was getting upgrades, so I
You
can't
can't really
even
tell.
tell you.
But you hear it.
I hear it. Definitely hear it.
I don't know how.
I know, right? Crank it
Look.
up.
Huh?
Crank it up.
I don't know how.
You hear it. Like, okay, look. See why I'm a little bit like that.
Come rev it up. Come rev it up.
What yours sound like?
Ooh. Just hold it back there. It's already recording.
You gonna fuck around, have some flames coming out there. Look at it.
People kept saying, get the black exhaust tips. They already burnt. So
They burnt out.
They
They get
burnt. So ain't no point in getting it.
When you get them capsulated.
I mean, ain't no point in getting it now.
Them shit's burned the fuck out. Look at my shit. My shit's shit's look black.
Where he at?
But you can still go corners though.
Who we talking about?
Vlog.
I don't know where he at. He should be on his way.
What you about to get?
Oh, you like the Hellcat? You like those?
Man, they alright, but I'm just talking about different rims for people. This is shit I've been looking at.
Boy, put out a magazine.
Yeah, I got to, bro. Y'all been fucking me up and shit. Street coil packs. 18 more horsepower, $623, but fuck it. That's better than goddamn waste my money on a fucking cam. I wasn't even gonna get this shit. Look at that different cam. This shit's not worth it. Not for that spending $3,000-$4,000 and ain't get. I might as well go supercharge it.
Right. Yeah.
I'm gonna hook this motherfucker up. I'm gonna blow. I just know one thing. This bitch gonna be my Hellcat. You hear me? This gonna be my red eye. This give me a year or two. It's gonna be right.
You said give him a year or two?
Yeah, hell yeah. Boy, that motherfucker, boy. Hey, cruising gonna. Hey, I'm trying to tell you, ain't nobody fucking with their pricing.
He stole that from a barbershop.
except for the barbershop.
Nah, you see what happened was.
What happened, bro? What happened, brother?
Shit dirty.
You can't even tell on camera because of the camouflage color. You're raised. He was
Remember the last 2 times it rained out. It rained out. Me and Alan did race. Thank you. I'm glad you didn't get that shit on footage. I'm glad you didn't get that shit on footage. Thank you. Don't be talking your shit.
So it's gonna really be a race today.
Oh yeah.
You know I'm gonna put the clips in from the past. You know where you were saying you were gonna race.
Who you gonna do that against?
Huh?
I can't race Rod. I'm not racing Rod.
You said you was. Did he say he need what? 5 seconds?
5 seconds. Talk my shit. Talk my shit. Didn't even race.
I heard you was racing
Red Eye.
What happened with that?
And that my. Where Rod at? Where Rod at?
That's what I come out here for.
Okay, so look. He said I'm gonna get a 5-second head start. He give me 5 seconds. Listen, that might be more than enough time, you feel me? This shit give him a world star. Now if he beat me, y'all ain't gonna see this film. I promise the guy y'all ain't.
I'm gonna use this. I gotta get paid. I can beef it up. I can beef it up and make you win.
That's what I'm talking about. Do that.
Hey, Scat Pack beats the Redeye.
Hey, you was looking crazy. Where Rod at? See, he told me he ain't gonna give me
We can do like a car length in front of me and I give him a hit.
That's just not gonna be fair. Wanna hear that?
We can play around, for real, we can just play around with different pulls.
That's what we'll do. Make it look good.
See what, like, because I need to measure it anyway.
That bitch is
So we can play around with some pulls.
And it's long enough.
What it do? Flies in the deal.
This man famous. Y'all know this man famous. He did something that nobody did.
You gotta get my boy. You gotta get my boy. He famous. Hey Mike, tell him what you did that nobody else did.
Hey, you live on YouTube.
What you do?
Camping all day.
You capping what?
V8s.
V8s? What?
That though. I did.
Not that? Nah, that. What kind of V8? Do you know what color V8 you got?
Like orange.
Orange?
Nigga named Twan.
Twan.
Hell Raisin, what's up?
My boy Twan?
Terrence, what's up?
You did him dirty?
Nah, I spared him.
He spared him? My man. Yo, Twan, man. What's up?
Hey, tell him come back for him.
You coming back for him? Okay.
You got something you want to shout out?
Yeah.
Shout out to everybody, you know what I'm saying? Follow me at She Loves Durham. You know, I'm on the way.
We get on that live one more time, yo. Please follow my page, man. Redeye_Rod. Trust me. Me and Slimeback, we got something cooking that y'all not gonna wanna miss. Trust me when I tell you that.
Come on now. Tell dude to get that.
Hey, Ron, look. I need to tell you something, dog.
He said tell him to get that Camaro out of here.
Hey, look, Camaro glam. We trying to run
See. It's good. Let me see if I miss anybody. Oh, they say get that Camaro out of here.
And don't nobody want to race though. That's the issue. Don't know Hellcat want to race. How to beat Hellcats.
The big Hellcat.
Scats.
Twan
How to
said you
get all that.
capping.
He done did all of that.
Twan said you capping.
Hey, I ain't in that. You got the video.
Oh, you got a video? The what?
A bag. You get like a custom bag.
Oh.
Huh? Give you one thing. I don't even know what to go for that one, man. Yeah, but I be selling on Instagram.
Hey, Flozzy. Hey, Flozzy. Yo. Hey, can you record this one? Y'all ready?
Slide back out here. Oh, I got it. Hey, you might want to get the footage. Let's do it, man. Yes, sir. Whole lot of Kelly shit. Y'all know the fuck.
Hey, Kelly.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
let's do it.
Come
Now
on.
I gotta pop my shit.
Pop that shit.
Hey,
Hey.
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 I got them bitches that suck up the crew. Pull out the yacht, let's see how I shoot. Pull out the hood, we gon' pull up on you, bitch. I'm tired, but I'm staying up just for you. Spinning on niggas, this shit get hit. Bitch asking questions like she a detective. I been hitting your hoe, she just wanted a necklace. I went up the block to go link with a best. I got them bitches that suck up the crew. Pull out the yacht.
The tires are gone. You shooting flames.